How to fix Cloudflare internal server not working. So if you want to fix the Cloudflare server not working, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So when you see a Cloudflare internal server error 500, it means that the website server or the actual computer hosting the site is having a major unexpected issue. Cloudflare tried to connect to it but received a failure code. This is a problem on the website's end, not yours. Since the issue is server-side, you can't truly fix it, but you can try a couple of things, like wait it out. This is the most effective solution. Websites engineers are usually aware of 500 errors and are working to resolve them immediately. So give it a few minutes and refresh the page, clear the browsing data, and your problem might be fixed. Or as the last step, you need to quickly clear your browser's cache and cookies for that specific website. Sometimes old data can conflict with the site's connection. And remember, the code is an indicator of the server crash or a major backend problem. So patience is the key. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.